Hey y'all, welcome to the Historical Guide to the Galaxy. We're here at the Lake Monroe Bridge. The Lake Monroe Bridge was the first electrically operated swing bridge in Florida. In 1932 to 1933, the state used federal assistance to build this bridge, which replaced a wooden toll bridge that was manually operated. The construction of the bridge provided economic relief for an area hurt by the economic collapse of the Depression era. The bridge was fabricated by Ingles Ironworks of Birmingham, Alabama. The swing machinery manufactured by Earl Gear and Machine Company, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and it was erected by W.W. White Steel Construction of St. Petersburg, Florida. Kears Contracting Company of Knoxville, Tennessee, was the general contractor for the Florida Department of Transportation. The Florida Department of Transportation and Seminole County cooperated in preserving the swing span as a fishing pier when the new Benedict Bridge was completed in 1994. The Lake Monroe Bridge had historic impact on the communities of the area, but also is a historical value of an example of a branch of bridge engineering. So this is continued from the front. The Lake Monroe Bridge was 672 feet and included 235-foot swing span. It carried the main route linking Daytona Beach and Tampa via DeLand and Sanford, Orlando, and Lakeland. It could pivot 360 degrees on its curved rack and two spur pinions. The worn type through truss construction had a central panel section peaked to accommodate the drive machinery. The worn type truss is considered the most economical construction for continuous spans. It is characterized by the diagonals that alternate in direction. The first diagonal beam starts at the base level and goes up to the top. The next diagonal starts at the top and goes down to the base level. The diagonals are in tension and comparison in alternate panels. To meet the heavy stress of the swing span operation, the bridge arms were heavily reinforced and riveted connections at all stress points. The harbor for Lake Monroe Park in Volusia County was created by fill taken for the approaches to the Lake Monroe Bridge. And this is the bridge, guys. And these are the rivets that they're talking about. These things are pretty solid. For this place to have been built that long ago and it's still standing, that's pretty impressive in my opinion, guys. So, and there's the bridge that they were talking about, that replaced this bridge right here. So we're about to come up to the St. Johns River here. Over there is Lake Monroe. I am doing a video on that with the orbiting the neighborhood. But for now, I'm doing this video on this bridge because it's historical, and this is the Historical Guide to the Galaxy. But pretty amazing that this used to be the main road in and out of Volusia County from Seminole County. I actually kind of remember driving on this bridge as a kid, I think, because I do remember it being a smaller bridge like this. But this is the old bridge, guys. And over there is the train track for the train and stuff to go across. Yeah. As you can see how these are riveted, okay, compared to how these are bolted. It's pretty amazing. I'm surprised we don't see any alligators right now, but the river is flowing. Anyways, this is from the opposite side of that bridge, y'all. This is the historical guide to the galaxy, guys. And I do thank you guys for watching this video and for enjoying these travels with me. This bridge is kind of damaged on the top, though. It's kind of crazy. Must have got hit by semi trucks and stuff when they were coming through or something. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for enjoying the history.